Okay, well, look, tell me what your company is and what it does.
Well, at LTK, we're a creator commerce platform. And what that means is that creators, the people that you choose to follow across your various social platforms that you use, they have actually expanded their offering to set up a digital storefront that's a focused experience for their followers that come to shop. And so they're holding no inventory, they're shipping no boxes, they're doing no customer care, but they're actually making their entire life 100% shoppable. So it's essentially taking that engagement for the hyper engaged follower and actually letting them into your world and buy the things that you buy and experience the things that you experience.
So, in a way, it's almost like an Amazon shop front, but for social influencers. It sounds like it's a mixture of all sorts of things.
We work with 5,000 retailers. So it's everyone from, Gucci and Chanel and Dior all the way down to the multi-brands like you have mentioned, other big box guys, Walmart, Amazon, Alibaba, on a global scale. And so what's important about that is that whether I woke up today and I'm wearing a Zimmerman dress from Australia, we work with Zimmerman and I can actually link directly to their shop. But I maybe got my lip gloss at a direct to consumer beauty retailer and I'm able to actually show you all of those products and link to them all in a single post. And it's not just the things that I'm putting on social media. It's actually, I'm making my entire life shoppable. So like, for example, today I took my little boy to the doctor and I had a picture of me and him at the doctor and I linked my outfit, his outfit, talked about the glasses that he wore. So it's really just those people who really want to buy into the things that I'm doing and talking about. I'm making every single thing about my world 100% shoppable. It's a shopping app. And the difference though is that now today, everything is available online. And so really the value is in curation. But what if you can have curation not just from a brand name store, but me as a individual, I'm shopping from north of probably 30 retailers on an annual basis, if not more. For most of our influencers, they're actually selling products for over 100 different retailers. And so they're actually going in and curating products they use in their life across so many different brands, provide such a huge service to us now that we're really doing almost all of our shopping online.
Okay, I can see why it's good for the influencers. I can see why it's good for the companies whose products they're using and they want to promote the sales of. What's in it for you? How do you make money out of this?
So we're actually aligned with all of our partners. We say that it's like a quad win scenario where, of course, our influencers are excited because they're actually earning in step with their influence in that retail transaction. And so what that means is if I tell you about my dress, but nobody buys my dress, I make no money. But I'm taking that risk. But if I actually sell 100 of those, I have the opportunity to make quite a bit of money. For the brands, they're paying with house money when it converts. And then for the consumer, they're getting to the best products really quickly and able to spend their time doing the things that they love. For LTK, we actually earn when that transaction comes full circle. So we're part of that flywheel and we earn when our partners win.
So there's not really much risk in it for you then?
Oh, there's a ton of risk in it. We invest, hundreds of millions of dollars in this product to build out actually this technology platform. So we've been building this and investing for the last 10 years. Over 10 years now. And we now have a scaled product that's a global product. And that's more important than ever for our partners because, for example, I know your original home was in Europe. We have European partners who want to expand, for example, to the US or even expand into Asia. And we're their singular partner that are able to build a distributed sales force of creators for them across the entire globe.
Okay, great. The blackberries. I'm thinking about picking the blackberries like I was when I was a kid in England. Okay, thanks ever
I
so
love
much to
it.
you, Amber, and good luck in 2022. Thank you.
Thank you so much.